for you. So today I am so excited as this is my very first time ever toning a wig. Yay! And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. This is a video that I have been so excited to make, and honestly I cannot believe it has taken me this long to actually do this. So a lot of blonde wigs come in the tone of 613, which means they are just a little, definitely that yellow blonde as you can see right here. So this is a wig that I absolutely love. I love this style. It's kind of vintagey. It is the Zuri Nia that I did right here, and it is a gorgeous wig. But what holds me back from wearing it a lot is that it's just a little yellow. So it's an easy correction that we're gonna be doing, and all you need to tone out this wig is right here. We have Rit synthetic dye right here, and it is in the color of royal purple. And then you will need 1 bottle of rubbing alcohol, and I got this from the dollar store. And then you will also need 1 Ziploc baggie, preferably with the zipper. And then of course a pair of gloves if you do wish. I think I'm gonna not wear the gloves because I like to live on the edge. So let's just get going with this video. You're gonna dump the entire bottle of rubbing alcohol in the Ziploc bag, and then next is the star of the event, of course, the Rit Dye. You're gonna take 3 capfuls of this and just swish it around so it's all kind of mixed in, and then you're gonna roll up your little Goldilocks right there and then close it with some air, which is really easy to kind of like make sure that the purple gets all in the hair. And then I release all the air, and I'm really making sure that it gets every nook cranny. And then you're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you're just gonna, of course, take it to the sink with cold water and just rinse this girl out. Really, really easy. Just make sure all the purple is out, like pretty easy, really can't lose here. And then, of course, drying it. And then I just kind of wrapped in a towel just to make it faster. And then I put her on a head, and she literally dried for about 1 hour outside. Here she is, beautifully ashed out. So exciting that this was such an easy process. I can almost kick myself for waiting so long to do this process. So with this process, like, since it's so easy, definitely do not let a 613 or if a wig is a little too warm deter you, because it may just be a couple steps away from being the color and tone that you desire. So let me know if you tone any of your wigs. I would seriously love to see them. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, life is short. Wear a wig and tone a wig, and it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. And if you feel fabulous toning your own 613 wigs, do it. Do it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you